Want to update your Apple Watch without any confusion? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get your Apple Watch running the latest software in just a few minutes. If this guide helps, don't forget to bookmark it and share it with someone who might need it too. So, first, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery. It's best to keep your watch on the charger throughout the entire update process to avoid interruptions or delays. Now, press the digital crown on the side of your Apple Watch to bring up the app home screen. From there, tap on the Settings app. It's the one with the familiar gear icon. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, select Software Update. Your Apple Watch will now begin checking for any available updates. If your watch is already using the latest version, you'll see a message saying, Apple Watch is up to date. But if there's a new update available, you'll see an option to install it. Tap on Install to begin the update process. The watch will start downloading the update file. Make sure your watch stays on the charger and connected to Wi-Fi while this happens. That's super important to prevent any issues. Once the download is complete, the watch will automatically restart and begin installing the update. This part may take several minutes, so be patient and don't remove the watch from the charger until it's completely finished. And just like that, your Apple Watch will be updated and ready to go with the latest features and security improvements. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it and check back anytime you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching.